Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. And so, part 3 in my series. It's not really a series. I'm just on my way to Dorking. As you know, we are in Reigate. We're going to take the A25 all the way into Dorking. So potentially an easy enough run. I suppose the only thing to watch out for now, because it's an A road, is going to be traffic and pedestrianis. So we enter a one-way system, so I didn't need to look for anything coming. I just needed to make sure there was nothing, coming behind me. So a nice little drive along Reigate High Street, I guess, or is it? I don't know what it's called. I haven't seen any signs, but I will have put it on this screen. I always put my street names on the screen. Pizza Express. One of the better multi-chains, but they do scrimp on their portions. I think everybody does now. You pay more, if not the same, but you get less to eat. There's Wally. I found him. Where's Wally? There he is. Love it. I bet everyone's been saying that. Lots of traffic on the right. So, because I'm on the left-hand lane, I've got more freedom to manoeuvre, but people are wanting to go right, you see, so swapping lanes. Out of Reigate. I don't know how long this will be, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, relatively easy run, I think. But it's nice to do a change, yes, I've been on the motorway for the most part on the last two, but if you follow the channel enough, I'm always in Kent. I have had some requests to do, is it Silvertown Tunnel, London Way? That's the new one that Sadiq Khan has opened, and everybody has to pay for the privilege. I'm very much if I don't have to pay, I won't, I'll try my best not to. Just noticed that my GoPro's turned itself off, so I'm just clicking buttons. It's recording again. I will do a sync, but you may not have had me on screen for some of that. Not quite sure what happened there. Maybe it overheated. GoPro's got a tendency to do that. Currently doing 30. Bending the road. Entering a 40 zone, but we have temporary traffic lights ahead. Damn coffee cup. Causing my I've got 3 1-pence coins in the coffee holder, and it's doing all of that. Bends in the road. Mole Valley welcomes careful drivers. We're in Buckland. We're doing 33 in a 40 zone. Squire's Garden Centre. They usually have nice cafes in those places. Freshly cooked food. Pheasant. Last time I did this run, I was stuck behind someone that wasn't pushing the speed limit. Always turning left. That's a relief. You know, it's that whole thing of you're allowed to do 40, you don't have to do 40, but when you don't do 40, you have a stream of traffic behind you, so have some consideration. You know, be aware of your surroundings. Are you holding people up? That kind of thing. But equally, you know, it might be someone who's in a place that they're unfamiliar with, so they want to keep, you know, under the speed limit. I'm just bitching and moaning. The White Cliffs of Buckland up there. Southeast of England. Definitely a chalk area, isn't it? It's a big stately home through there. Looks rather lovely. Betchworth. Maybe that's the White Cliffs of Betchworth then. It's quite unusual. Yeah, the last time I did this run, I snuck in the outside lane on this roundabout and overtook the slow driver. But thankfully the slow driver has gone. Dorking, A25. That car decided to pull out before I had left the roundabout. I thought he was going to pull into me. Still a 40 zone. Very bright, isn't it? Way before the M25 was even built, can you imagine all the traffic on this road? Astonishing. This was the original A25, South London circular, as it were. You'd have had the A23 coming up from Brighton, going up into London, the A21 from Sevenoaks, Tunbridge, going up into London, the A2 coming in from Kent, all before the motorways. I don't know why they don't make this a 50-mile-an-hour stretch. I can understand slowing the traffic down at a major junction like that, but when it's long, open, you could push it back up to 50. Van's turning off. Mercedes was skirting the bus stop. This might be a quick run. I don't think we're far from Dorking. Now, because this video is being based in Surrey, I wonder if YouTube will start pushing it out to Surrey. Come on. I think my GoPro's decided to give up the ghost. I gauge the GoPro by the light on the front. And if the light is on and it's flashing at me, then I know it's recording. But I don't look at it, I'm looking at the road. But every now and again I'll just have a peek, and guess what? The light's gone off. So I've been dropping in and out. Anyway, what I was saying is that the video being based in Surrey, Dorking, here we go, then I wonder if YouTube will push it out to viewers who live in this area, part of their algorithm nature. If you are a Surrey person and you're watching this video and you don't normally watch it, drop me a comment, let me know, because I'd be interested to know if YouTube is doing that kind of algorithm thing. And if that's the case, then you're watching this thinking, who the hell is this guy? Because my normal viewers are all from Kent. So apart from the odd, American and that kind of thing. But they may wonder why I'm so casual and talking to you. It's because all of you are normally my followers. So, you get to know my personality, you get to know what I'm like. And it's like I'm engaged in conversation with you, but if you're brand new to the channel, then it's all foreign to you, isn't it? Right, 30 miles an hour, heading into Dorking. We'll go along the High Street here. Looks like they've resurfaced since the last time I was here. It's rather smooth. Pedestriani. Lights are green even though people are waiting. Dorking Lawn Tennis and Squash Club open day. That's today, Saturday the 12th. Maybe we should do a Grand Slam. Pedestrian. And that's it, we've gone through Dorking. Excuse me. I've got two options here. I can find somewhere to stop there, or I can go around the one-way system and come back on myself and stop back in the High Street. So if there's a space to stop along here, I will. If there isn't, I'm going all the way around. I'm going down here. I've never gone down here before, but it'd be interesting to see where it leads. Junction Road. Does it get me back on the main road? Could do. Yes, it does. How sneaky. It's just a question of if anybody lets you out. And they are doing. Thank you very much. The King's Arms. Monica's Deli. Dorking Antiques. Isn't this quaint? A lovely old high street with independent shops. Jewellers, models, coffee shop, putty cakes. Doesn't sound appealing. Aromatherapy shop. Look at that old building on the right with the awning and the canopy. Old house. I'm glad I did this just so that I could see the old buildings. So it does look quaint. Right, I'm going to find myself a place to stop just along here and end the video. What do you think behind the Kia there? Disabled and taxis. But I'm only stopping to stop the video. I'm not leaving the car abandoned. So there you go. I've no idea what's happened with the DJI. The DJI is fine. The GoPro, on and off it's been on this journey. But it's easy enough for me to edit that bit out because the audio has been recorded by the DJI and that's recording the footage for the road. So it's all good, isn't it? That's the end of my 3-parter for a day to Surrey, motorway driving and all that kind of malarkey. It was good stuff. Drop me a comment, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.